Today I've got over 20 practical 3D prints that you can download from sites like Printables or MakerWorld, and these ones are super easy to print using basic filaments like PLA or PETG. I've personally printed and tested every single one of them, and I'm going to break them down into 4 categories to make it easier to follow. And all of the links are down in the description below so you can download them and print them out for yourself. Let's dive right in and start with kitchen gadgets. Alright, first category is the kitchen, and these are all about making your time in the kitchen just a little bit more organized and efficient. We're talking tools that help with prep, storage, and even cleanup. Starting off, we have the rotating kitchen utensil holder. This print can be scaled to fit your needs, and it rotates around 360 degrees to give you quick access to utensils like spoons, spatulas, or whisks. I attached the base to the countertop with double-sided tape to keep it in place, and printed mine in a clear PLA so I don't lose those smaller items at the bottom. This one did take a while, about 12 hours to print in total with minimal supports, and for me it's perfect for keeping my counters clean and clutter-free. And this one is especially helpful if you have a smaller kitchen like me where space is at a premium. Just spin it and grab what you need. Next up is a basic utensil holder. These trays are designed to fit into smaller sized drawers, separating your forks, knives, and spoons. There's 2 different styles to choose from depending on how many slots you need, and both print in one piece, taking around 3.5 hours total. This print took my silverware drawer from a cramped space with basically no room towards the backside to an evenly spaced out area with plenty of room for all of my utensils in the front and space in the back for measuring spoons and even a can opener. Next up, there's the under cabinet spice rack. This compact design is meant to mount right under your kitchen cabinets, holding up to 4 of your spices securely and keeping them out of the way but easy to reach. Now I did scale this print up by a few percent to fit the spices that I normally use, printed it in HTPLA because honestly that's what I had in the printer, and it finished in just over 4 hours including supports. Need to store more than 4? Print another one out and mount them side by side. It's a huge space saver, freeing up counter space, and it lets you grab your seasonings mid-cooking without hunting through crowded shelves or drawers. If you're tired of disorganized spice drawers, this one's a must print in my book. The sink basket strainer is something that comes with most kitchen sinks in one design or another, but like many things in life, they aren't always perfect. So this one is a mesh strainer that fits right into your sink drain hole to catch food scraps, preventing clogs or backed up drains before they start. This one prints in under an hour with no top or bottom layers, and you can customize the hole size based off of your infill percentage. I printed mine with 25% honeycomb infill to trap most of the items, but still allow plenty of water to pass through, and it's super easy to remove and keep clean. Now the spaghetti measure. This simple design helps you measure exact portions of spaghetti for up to 4 people, so you can avoid cooking too much or too little. It's an easy print, takes up minimal space next to your silverware holder, and can be finished in less than 30 minutes. No more eyeballing and wasting pasta. Just slide the strands through the holes and put the rest back for perfect servings every time. This one comes in super handy for meal prepping, families, or even cooking for yourself. Now the table cleaner is a compact, easy to use tool with an integrated scraper to sweep up crumbs from your table or countertops. The whole thing prints in about an hour and even has a built-in collector to keep the mess contained until you empty it. This print is ideal for quick cleanups after meals, especially if you have kids or you're a messy cook like me who tends to overshoot the plate when adding seasoning to my food. It's basically a mini broom and dustpan for your table or countertops, and the little collector even has a slot to store your scraper when you're not using it. The popcorn scoop is a print-and-place scoop with a comfortable handle, designed for, you guessed it, scooping popcorn from your popcorn machine or even a large bowl without getting your hands greasy. I printed mine in PETG and it took just under 2 hours. It's super sturdy, holds the popcorn with perfection, and makes movie nights way more convenient. If you love popcorn like I do, this one's a must print. Last up for the kitchen is the Condiment Caddy. This portable holder has slots to store up to 4 spices or condiments right on the table, or even carry drinks from the kitchen to the backyard for a family barbecue. This print takes just under 8 hours, uses minimal supports, and is super durable. It keeps everything together so you aren't making multiple trips back and forth, and they do offer this one in 2 different sizes. I opted for the smaller one, which fits a standard size water bottle or soda can, or you could go with the larger of the 2 to fit slightly bigger objects. Okay, let's move on to the bathroom aids, where these prints help with hygiene, storage, and those little annoyances in your daily routine. First is arguably my favorite print in this category. It's the quick change toilet paper roll holder. Say that 2 times fast. This is a quick change design that lets you swap out toilet paper rolls in seconds without any sort of hassle. Prints in about 2 hours, mounts easily to the wall, and it's as simple as lifting up, sliding off the old roll, and putting the new roll back on. There's plenty of mounting holes to choose from, and even a clever little cover to hide the screws after it's secured to the wall. Next up for the bathroom is the corner shower caddy. It's a simple design that fits right into the corner of your shower, holding shampoo bottles, soap, and even razors. It has plenty of holes on the top for drainage to prevent water buildup, and I opted to print mine in PET G for a durable and moisture-resistant part. This one takes around 5 hours in total for both parts and attaches to the shower with your choice of double-sided adhesive. This optimizes space in tight showers, keeping everything within arm's reach without cluttering the edges. It attaches with double-sided tape in the corner of most showers and provides a little extra room for those of us with limited storage space. The soap holder is just as it sounds, a simple soap dish made for standard size bars of soap, printed in 2 parts with a drainage slot to keep the soap dry and prevent it from getting mushy. Both parts can fit on a single build plate and take just over an hour and 30 minutes to print. This will extend the life of your soap and even keeps your counter or shelf looking a little bit cleaner. It's a small but effective upgrade in my opinion. Now the Toothbrush tooth holder is a fun little toothbrush holder that's shaped like a tooth. There's multiple design options to choose from depending on your needs, but I went with the one that has 3 dividers. It easily stores everyone's toothbrush in its own slot, and there's even room for a small tube of toothpaste. It prints in just over 2 hours with supports and adds a little neat touch to your bathroom decor. Kids will love this one, but it's practical for anyone. Now nobody likes fighting with an almost empty tube of toothpaste. The Ratchet Toothpaste Tube Squeezer is an easy to print and assemble ratchet mechanism that squeezes every last drop out of your toothpaste. It clicks as you turn it to keep pressure applied, and it can be printed in just over an hour with no supports. This one reduces waste of toothpaste and makes brushing more efficient. No more going to brush just to realize you're out of toothpaste. Just click, click, and you're ready to go. Now, on to living space organizers. Perfect for decluttering common areas of your home, like the living room, office, or even the entryway. First up is the woven coaster set. Like the name implies, they're coasters and a holder with a woven appearance that'll look stylish on any table. For a set of 4 coasters printed in PLA, you're looking at just under 6 hours of print time, and combined with the holder, you're looking at a total print time for both plates at just over 8 hours. They protect your surfaces from water rings while adding a nice textured and unique appearance to your space. Next up is the battery dispenser. It comes in 5 different versions, but I opted for the hanging one for AA and AAA batteries. This is a one-piece design that stores AA on the front and AAA in the back and holds about 12 batteries per size. It takes about 6 hours to print with supports, and it's great for keeping batteries organized and ready for use, whether on the wall or the shelf. Next up is these heavy-duty wall hooks. They're designed for hanging various items like aprons, backpacks, helmets, or even jackets. Each hook prints in about an hour and a half and mounts securely to the wall. They're a small and versatile solution for any wall in your space, holding up under weight and keeping things off the floor. Up next is a spacious but compact desk organizer with 3 compartments for pens, markers, and even small tools or screwdrivers for your electronics. This one also has 2 shallow areas for USB drives, SD cards, or paper clips. It prints in about 5 hours and fits perfectly on your desk or even your side table. This one definitely started to tame my cluttered desk, making it easier to find what I need when I need it. Then we have the flat SD card holder. As the name would imply, it's a flat case with a sliding cover that holds up to 6 standard size SD cards. It prints in just under 30 minutes, it's super portable and slim, easy to throw into a backpack or camera bag, and great for protecting your cards from dust, dirt, or scratches while on the go. And last but not least are the quick prints. These are all super fast to make, under an hour each, for those instant gratification projects. First up in the quick prints category is this simple hinged cable clip with multiple slots for organizing your cables. Then it mounts with 2 screws or even double-sided tape if you don't want to leave a permanent mark. It prints in place, hinge and everything, in about 30 minutes and makes cable management a breeze. Hinge it open to add or remove wires, snap it shut to provide a secure but simple way to cable manage your space. No more tangled messes behind your desk or your TV. Next up is the modern key hanger. It could have just as easily fit in the living space organization section, but since it's a quick and easy print, I figured why not throw it into this one. It's a hexagon platform where you choose the number of things you want to hang, print them out, and attach the hexagon to your keyring and the bracket part to the wall with double-sided tape. You can print out the double key bracket and 2 hexagon pieces for your keyring in just over 30 minutes, or double it up and print out 4 slots and 4 hexagon pieces in just over an hour for a total of 4 pairs of keys. It's a stylish way to keep your keys by the door without losing them, and they'll always be ready and in the same place every time you need to hit the road. Lastly is the drill dust collector. It's an essential tool for any DIYer that presses against the wall to collect dust and debris while you're drilling a hole. It keeps your space tidy and clean, and it's easy to print in just under an hour. It prevents mess from spreading, making DIY projects neater and hassle-free. So which one are you going to print out first? Let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. And as usual, all the links to the printed models shown in today's video are down in the description below. You take care, folks, and I'll see you in the next one.